Hello YouTube. Alright, so for today I'm just going to answer the common question. How do you protect the spawn you make of your server so people can't like PvP and build and burn people and all that crap, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so basically what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get two different plugins and they're called WorldEdit and WorldGuard. Alright, I'm going to put the link in the description for downloading them just on Bukkit, or you can really find them without any assistance from me. I'm assuming that you already know how to properly install plugins on your server. I'm not going to go over how to do that. So, yeah, they're really simple. You don't have to configure or do any of that stuff, alright? So, we're going to start out by opping ourselves, alright? So, I'm going to go ahead and opt myself. And also, if you are using a permissions plugin, you're going to need to give them the give yourself WorldEdit.asterisk and also WorldGuard.asterisk, alright? And this is basically just going to give you access to all the commands we're about to use, alright? If you do not know what a permissions plugin is, or you just don't use one, just forget about that. You do not need to know this, alright? Just opting yourself is fine, alright? So, let's get started. Make sure you have one space cleared at least in your inventory, alright? Then we're going to type //wand. And you're going to get this little wooden axe, alright? This is basically just our little magic wand that we're going to do all of our goodies with, alright? So, let's just go over the basics first of WorldEdit before we actually get to creating a region, alright? So, basically what WorldEdit does is it lets you select a part of the world and then change it how you wish, alright? You select in a, basically like a cuboid area. So what this means is I'm just going to show you. As you can see, when we got the wand, it gave us a little bit of instruction. So left click to select your first position, alright? Let's go ahead and do that, alright? Okay, we have our first position. Now it says to right click to select our second position. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to select another one a little bit higher over in another corner. Alright, so we see we have our region selected. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just type // set, and then let's just make it wood for now. Alright, that sheep is about to die. Alright, so it basically just, in that cuboid region, you see from this point to here, it filled it with wood. Alright, now let's just go ahead and undo that with // undo. Alright, pretty simple, okay? So now, let's go ahead and select the region again, doing just like we did the first time. Alright, and then we'll put that there. Alright, we have it set. Okay, so basically, now what we have to do is we have to expand this region basically as high as it goes and as low as it goes. Because as you can recall, when we replaced that, it only did this small little area. And we want it to really do the whole entire area up and down, alright? So what we're going to type is // expand vertical. And that's it. Simple as that, alright? Now we need to actually give this region a name, alright, so that we can actually work with it, alright? So what we're going to do is we're going to do /region, space define, and the name, alright? This can be whatever you want. It does not matter, alright? For all purposes, since we're making a spawn, I'm just going to call it spawn so I can remember it, alright? And we'll see region saved as spawn, alright? Pretty simple now, except it really did not do anything, alright? So it basically just said that this area out of this random world is going to be randomly defined as spawn for whatever reason, alright? We need to actually do something called flagging, which is basically we're gonna say, like, okay, we want to deny people access to build in this region. We want to deny them access to PvP, stuff like that, alright? Alright, so in order to do that, what we're going to do is /region space flag space the name of your region, which is spawn here, alright? And then we're going to go ahead and then type just type whatever you want, really, just mess up something, just like, you know, gibberish. I always do that, and then you basically, it says unknown flag, and then it gives you all the available flags that it has, alright? There's quite a bit here, alright? Alright, so, let's just look through this. Okay, build. We don't want people to be able to build in our spawn, for obvious reasons. We don't want a griefed up spawn, alright? So, we're gonna just go ahead and do /region space flag space spawn, which is the name of our region again, and then build the actual name of the flag, and then here's where we have to set it to something, alright? There's two options here. Allow, if I can, oh, I can't type today. Region, flag, spawn, build, allow, there's that, and there's also deny, alright? So, for this one, we want to deny them access to build in the region. We don't want them building, so we're just going to set it to deny. And now we're going to see that it just says its build has been set. Now, if you'll notice, I can still build in this region, but that's only because I'm an op right now. Ops can build, and people with all the permissions can build, alright? So, let's add one more, just like a little easy one, alright? There's also, I don't know where it is, a greeting. Alright, let's add a greeting. It's basically just gonna tell you something when you walk into the region, alright? So, we'll do /region flag spawn greeting, and then we're just gonna say welcome to spawn, alright? Done. Walk forward, you got this nice little message. Welcome to spawn, alright? Now we're gonna just set one more, just for a little fun, alright? Then we're gonna, it's something called the farewell, and that is up here, right here. And then this is basically just what it says when you leave the region, instead of entering it, alright? So we're gonna say, you have left the spawn region, alright? So now, I walk in it, welcome to spawn. I walk out of it, you have left the spawn region, alright? So, this is really all you need to do, and you can experiment around with all the other ones, with all these other flags. As I said, for most of these, it's allow and deny. If it's not allow or deny, it'll say like, oh, there was an error, and these are the correct answers for it, alright? Pretty obvious. If you still are having questions, just you can just leave a comment in the leave a comment below this video, alright? Just to show you that this worked, I'm gonna go ahead and de-op myself. If you're using permissions plugin, just get rid of the permissions from your user. And now we're gonna see when I try to build something, it's not gonna allow me to do it. I'm just gonna say you don't have permission for this area. And if I go right outside the region, I can build just fine. Alright? So basically, it's really one of the most useful tools for protecting your server, and your spawn and stuff like that. Alright? So that is all for now. And again, some of my contact information I'll put in the description for you guys, so you can get a hold of me if you have any problems throughout this tutorial. And then I'll also write out in I'll just write out the actual instructions to this if for some reason this video doesn't make any sense. Alright, that's all for now, guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.